Now the topic is disintegrants. Now the topic is disintegrants. Disintegrants nothing but they will disintegrate the excipients. These are the excipients. They will disintegrate the excipient from the granule. This is granule. For example, you can consider this round shape you can call as a granule. Granule containing excipients. Granule containing excipients. These are the, for example, you can consider this is active pharmaceutical ingredient API, diluent, flavoring agent, sweetening agent. This is called as a disintegrant. This is called as a disintegrant. Present within the granule. What will happen when the water imbibe water means when it will drink water, then swelling means it will forcefully swelling. See, this is small one means without drinking of water. Once it will drinks water, but once it will drink water means swelling. See, the polymer is get swelled. Polymer is swelled. Whenever swelling, there it will force the excipients like this. It will force the excipients, leads to release of excipient from the granule. Leads to the release of excipient from the granule. This is the mechanism of disintegrants. So examples of disintegrant is starch USP. In the dilute or in the fillers we have discussed about the starch USP and clays, Vigum and bentonate. These are the inorganic particles. They will also drink water absorbing property. These Vigum and bentonates are water hydrated clays, we can call as a hydrated clays. Means they will absorb the water. They will drink the water. So majorly the disintegrants what we are using now, cross-linked. See, these are the polymers. They are cross-linked. See, cross-linking means these are called as a cross-linking. This cross-linked hydrophilic polymers. Hydrophilic polymers means the polymers which will love water or which will drink water, we can call as hydrophilic polymers. They are cross-linked. See the same structure present here, the cross-linked polymers. When they will drink water, they will swell. But they will not dissolve in water. They just swell in the water. So now under the disintegrants, we are using majorly the super disintegrants. Super disintegrants means these are effective at low concentration. At a less concentration, they will effectively act as a disintegrants. Concentration 1 to 4% weight by weight. 1 to 4% weight by weight. At weight by weight, we can call as a low concentration. So what are the super disintegrants? Means cross-linked starch and cross-linked cellulose. Cross-linked starch and cross-linked cellulose will act as a super disintegrants. Under the cross-linked starch, example is primogil and exportine. Next one is the chemical nature. What is the chemical nature of this one is? This is the chemical structure. The chemical they are sodium. Starch means this is the basic nucleus we can call as starch. Glycolate means this compound. This we can call as a glycolate. This is the starch. This is about the sodium. What we are calling sodium starch glycolate. Sodium starch glycolate. Chemical it is sodium starch glycolate. Next one is cross-linked cellulose. Cross-linked cellulose or cross-carmellose. What are the brand names? These are brand names. Primogil, Exportabo. How this name came, I will tell you later. Next one is brand name. Act disol solutab. SOLU. Solutabo act disol. These are acts as a cross-linked cellulose or cross-linked cross-carmellose sodium. Chemically, sir, these are cross-linked. I told you cross-linked. These are cross-linked sodium carboxy. This group we can call as a carboxy. Methyl group is there. Cellulose. sodium carboxy. This group we can call as a carboxy. Carbonyl means C double bond of carbonyl. Carboxy and methyl. We can call as a cross-linked sodium carboxy, methyl cellulose. This is a cellulose. Means starch having alpha configuration at C1 carbon, cellulose having beta configuration. Stereochemistry will differ. Alpha configuration, beta configuration. See now the brand names, how they will derived means AC. AC means carboxyl. See, carboxy, CAR is there. CAR, carboxy. If you can reverse the letter A and C, what is AC? Means Di. Next one is Di, obtained from sodium. Sodium containing Di. SODium. Sodium containing Di. Sal, nothing but obtained from cellulose. Sal. See, reverse the cellulose spelling is SCLLULOSC. If you reverse the letters, these three letters, SOL. Hence, what happened? Carboxy, sodium, cellulose. Carboxy, sodium, cellulose. Next, solutum. Solu means SOL, sal, obtained from cellulose. SOL. Letters SOL, you can reverse the letter in cellulose, sal. U means sodium. U letter is there in sodium. See, U letter is there in sodium. Hence, we can call it solutum or agdisol. Solutum or agdisol. This is. Next one is primosil. Next one is primosil. Primosil, how they have obtained means P means potato. R indicating obtained from CROSS. In the CROSS, R is there. P letter, R letter they have obtained. MI, what it will indicate? MIO, it indicates modified. Say M letter is there, I letter is there, O letter is there. IMO, in modified IOM letters are there, hence IOM. Gel means it's formed like this basic nucleus, like this gel structure. It will form like this. Since we can call as this is a potato cross-linked. This cross-linked potato sugar, potato polysaccharide, that is modified. See, modified. This is modified cross-linked potato. What is the exact meaning? Modified cross-linked potato. We can call as a primosil. Next one is exploitive. X, E indicating what? E indicating, here for example, E indicating the ethyl group is substituted in exploitive. In exploitive, ethyl group is there. X means, see, cross-link. X symbol we can use for cross-linking. Hence, this indicate cross-linking. X symbol cross-linking we can use. Next one is plotab. Potato sugar, obtained from potato. Plotab means potato, obtained from potato. What is primosil potato? R means cross-linked, MY means modified cross-linked potato. This is cross-linked ethyl. Potato is cross-linked, and this having ethyl substituted. It is mainly the ethyl substituted. We can call as a exploitive. This is completed. This is about the disintegrants.